the work yesterday digging out the pipes, but basically they state that they're going to stop because another work agency after the road is finished fixed, they'll come and set the pipe. But it is very ridiculous because if people have to pay $4,000, $5,000 for water, therefore we have to do it again. The road is going to be blocked more because if we cannot get any water, there's no way that the road is going to be fixed.
Claims are that the area that was dug for the pipes could result in accidents if left uncovered, and so they had to stop work. But residents insist something has to give for the precious liquid.
If they fix the road, they have no intention to go and dig it up back again. So we need the water. As soon as you know improvement, we're going to block back the road. I was trying to block it back tomorrow. Tomorrow and Tuesday. And everybody will suffer. That's not nice. I don't want to talk to the MP. Because from when before election, we don't see him. So we need to get in contact with him. We're going to take drastic actions. So, if they don't lay the pipe from this evening, starting this evening, well, tomorrow morning the road is going to be blocked and you're going to have to come back again. So, no pipe, road going to block. No water, no pipe, road going to block more. So, all this stone going to go in the road, house going to go in the road too.
Being without water for several years was what drove the residents into the streets in protest this week. Debris from the last scene could still be seen, so too was the unfinished work, but still no water. Mika Lewis, CVM News.